Hi everyone, I'm Chef Jeffrey Held. Welcome to Cooking for Wellness at NYU Langone Health. Today I'm sharing one of our cafe favorites, the Chipotle Shrimp Taco Salad. It was developed by Chef Rich Robinson, executive chef at NYU Langone Hospital, Brooklyn. And it's been a big hit across all our locations. At NYU Langone Health, we're on a mission to bring fresh, nutritious, and delicious meals to everyone in our health system. That means unifying menus and making sure every meal is healthy and craveable across all our campuses. Chef, today I've got Chef Caesar Alfano here from NYU Langone Hospital, Long Island, to talk about how our chefs across campuses are teaming up and collaborating like never before. Welcome, Chef.
Thank you for having me.
So let me ask you, how'd you get into healthcare as a chef?
So coincidentally, while I was working in fine dining, my uncle was sick and had cancer, and he was at a different hospital. I went to go visit him, and it happened to be during a meal period. And I remember they set the tray down and they lifted it up, and it just looked so sad for somebody who needed like the most care and consideration. So I went downstairs, marched down to the kitchen, explained my background to them, and they said, if you think you could do so much better, why don't you apply? And I applied the next day.
Wow, that's incredible.
Yep. So I worked there, and then I moved to a different hospital, and then I got the opportunity to work at NYU Langone Hospital, Long Island, which coincidentally is where both of my children were born.
Wow.
So it was a huge opportunity for me to be invested in some place that has given me so much.
Amazing, like a direct impact on your life. It's crazy, like all the chefs on our entire team, it's like everyone has their real personal reason for wanting to be in healthcare. All right, ready to get started on our vinaigrette?
Absolutely.
All right, beautiful. This is very, very simple. We have some chopped garlic, about 1 tablespoon. We have chipotle peppers, smoked jalapeno in adobo, nice and spicy, tons of flavor. We have a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a little bit of honey. We're gonna use an immersion blender today. Got some fresh lime juice.
I love the smell of lime juice.
Yeah, nothing better. I got some white vinegar and some cider vinegar. Got some fresh cilantro leaves. We're literally gonna just put that right in because we're gonna blend it. We're gonna start by just blending the mixture, and then you're just gonna slowly drizzle in the oil.
Oh, it already smells fantastic.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
See, you take the time to add your oil slowly so that it emulsifies and actually joins into the dressing. That little bit of mustard helps emulsify and keep it together.
And you're also getting all the beautiful sweetness and smell of like the honey, that smoked chipotle.
Beautiful.
It's fantastic.
Throw a little fresh black pepper in there.
So Chef, can I ask you a question? Because I know Rich came up with this recipe. He had it in his arsenal. And I'm doing recipes for the farmer's market, trying to take the produce and make something amazing. What do you think is the best way to come up with a recipe?
Yeah, I don't think there's a best method. What I will say is that ultimately the reason for us collaborating as a team across the system and getting all of our years of experience involved and all of our eyes and hands into the mix produces the best results. We want the same amazing, nutritious, delicious food to be offered in Long Island, in Brooklyn, in Manhattan, the same thing all around.
Makes sense.
That's the goal.
You get the same slamming chicken leg, whether you're in Mineola, in Brooklyn, you get that banging pot pie.
Yes,
you know
sir.
You're gonna get high quality, nutritious food no matter where you go.
You got it. That's the goal. Give it a taste real quick. Remember to taste as you go, always.
Always.
Oh, it's delicious. Nice and spicy, but not too crazy. Nice. Very well balanced as well. So we're gonna use a little bit of this vinaigrette to marinate our shrimp before we cook it. And we're gonna grill it, and we're gonna make our salad afterwards. Let me grab that shrimp. So this is where I take over. Chef Caesar has a shellfish allergy.
Yes, I
So
do.
there's no contact with shellfish, right? All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit of that vinaigrette, and I'm just gonna give a little bit of a marinade to our shrimp. Really bright, fresh lime juice in the vinegar, the little bit of spice. It's great.
Everything coming off of that is magic.
Yep. I'm gonna let these sit for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna go right to the grill. All right, while I grill, you wanna get started on our pico de gallo?
Sure.
All right, so we're gonna make a very, very basic, simple pico de gallo. It's just Roma tomatoes, white onion, jalapeno, lime juice, A little bit of olive oil, fresh cilantro. Good to go. So I'm gonna take just 4 tomatoes, just about a half of an onion. When you choose your jalapeno, usually I use about 1, but it depends on the size. Obviously, if you have a giant jalapeno, you want to keep it. You don't want it to be too spicy to eat. So just judging on your size, maybe use half the chili.
What if I want to use all the chili?
I mean, it depends on what you like. You like it spicy?
Of course I like it spicy.
All right,
Come on.
nice.
I'm from Mineola.
Of course. Represent your campus. This salad is a great example of how just very, very simple preparations, yet with just enough, like vibrant flavors, can make really, really great, easy meal. Certainly something you could make for a weeknight meal at home. All right, while you do that, I'm gonna grill our shrimp.
Sounds good. Hey, Chef, is this jalapeno seeded or no?
Only the flesh.
Only
How's it coming?
coming along.
Looking good?
Yeah. Chef, you said olive oil in this?
Oh, a little bit of avocado oil.
A little bit of avocado
Throw a
oil.
little bit of body. All set?
All set, Chef.
Shrimp are ready to go too?
Perfect timing for us.
Beautiful. All right, you ready to make our salads?
Oh, yeah.
All right, I think this salad, since it's got the Pico de Gallo, there's a lot of moisture. So I think we're just gonna drizzle at the end. I don't wanna toss it.
Makes sense. Build it up.
Yeah, let's start with some romaine. So, because we know how to take care of allergies here, we grilled us some chicken for Caesar instead of shrimp.
Very considerate.
Of course. Some nice black beans. Got our Pico de Gallo. Beautiful. So now we got,
Gorgeous.
yeah, got some queso fresca. You know what? I'm gonna cut a couple of lime wedges here.
You want some queso fresca?
Yes, please. We got just a little bit of crispy tortilla strips, just to give it a little bit of texture.
Some beautiful color, too.
Yeah, nice little color. Had a little crunch to the salad. You want to dress us up real quick?
Absolutely.
A little bit of drizzle. Nice. Great, flavorful, light lunch, right? Perfect.
I can smell the happiness coming off of it.
I love it. Working in healthcare as a chef obviously has its challenges, but also tremendous rewards.
Yep.
Is there any moment that, that has specifically made you proud to be a part of the NYU Langone Health family?
To be honest with you, I have moments every day. Since we began collaborating, people come up to me constantly about how excited they are about the beautiful food that they get.
Nice.
And how it makes it more rewarding for them to come to work. And as a chef, what you want to do is bring people joy.
Huge.
So to be able to do that, that's my reward every day.
Let's eat. Love it. Chef, thanks again for coming. Really appreciate your time. Thank you for joining us. I'm Chef Jeffrey Held, and this is Cooking for Wellness. For more healthy and delicious recipes, please check out our YouTube playlists.